All right, so here's a floating shelf. All right, this is for your side bed. You can put it pretty much anywhere. It takes 3 screws to put in there. Make sure you have a strong backing. I put in heavy duty reinforced screws, if you guys can see that. Each one carries 50 pounds, so this could carry a lot of weight. Right now, I like the top. Beautiful, elegant. It took me about, like I said, a couple minutes to put together. It has a drawer in here that you put your phone, other devices. You can put your glasses, your personal items in here. I like the display. It floats. Now let's talk about the power. You got access to 2 USB. So if you have your phone, you want to charge it, you can charge it. It's a beautiful floating shelf. All right, like I said, it has another shelf on this side, another one in the middle, and then of course the sliding drawer. So if you guys can see, I set up a lamp, but this could be for your side bed, your entrances, your living room. It could be pretty much anywhere. So just make sure you have a strong back. If you are going to put in drywall, recommend you some heavy duty drywall screws. All right, so they're included too, so no need to buy any extra ones. And then just do cable management and look nice and beautiful. So hope you guys enjoy the video.